Herbs are a fantastic addition to any home, bringing incredible flavor to your dishes. They're surprisingly easy to grow, even if you don't have a large garden space. Many herbs thrive in simple containers or even repurposed items like old tubs. Growing your own herbs allows you to enjoy fresh, aromatic ingredients right from your kitchen. It's a rewarding experience that connects you more deeply with your food. You'll find that homegrown herbs elevate your cooking to a new level. For container plants, use a balanced, all-purpose organic or natural fertilizer. Container plants have less soil mass, so they need extra nutrients every few weeks. This regular feeding ensures they remain vibrant and productive. Starting herbs from seed indoors can be an exciting and fulfilling project. The key to success is beginning in early spring, giving your seedlings a head start. Once planted, keep your herbs warm and moist, but never waterlogged. Adequate light exposure is crucial for indoor herb growth. This can sometimes be challenging during the darker winter months. Consider supplemental lighting if natural light is insufficient. High-quality herb seeds are easy to plant at home. You can use various containers, from decorated yogurt cups to plastic milk cartons. Pots or seedling trays also work well. Ensure each container has drainage holes and is filled with an excellent seed starting mix. This mix should have loose particles, be weed-free, and retain moisture effectively. This foundation is vital for healthy seedling development. When planting different herb varieties, it's helpful to separate them. This allows you to tailor their care to specific needs. For example, basil loves warm temperatures and plenty of sunshine. Thyme, on the other hand, prefers cooler temperatures and reduced lighting. To increase humidity, you can use low-speed fans or mist your plants. This helps keep the soil moist and promotes better growth. After several weeks, your herbs will be ready for transplanting outdoors. Help them adjust by gradually moving them outside on mild days. Bring them back indoors at night for a period of hardening off. This process allows their roots to adapt to outdoor temperatures. It also gives them time to strengthen before being permanently transplanted into your garden. Once established, they will flourish. After your herbs reach full size and are harvested, you have options. You can plant new seeds or add them to a larger herb garden in your yard. Enjoy their fresh, flavorful taste in salads, soups, sauces, and seasonings. Don't forget to use them in cocktails or make refreshing mint tea. Herbs are among the easiest garden plants to care for and produce throughout the summer. They are an excellent addition to pollinator gardens, attracting many beneficial insects. This helps your entire garden thrive. When starting herb seeds indoors for outdoor planting, use a seed-starting flat or small containers. Fill them with quality potting or seed-starting soil and keep it slightly damp. Most herbs germinate within 2 to 3 weeks. Once seedlings emerge, they can be transplanted into larger containers or directly into the garden. Wait until all risk of frost has passed before moving them outdoors permanently. This protects tender young plants. Many herbs can be direct seeded outdoors in early spring when temperatures are mild. Prepare the surface soil by working it into an even texture. Wet it well, then loosen it slightly. Apply an even layer of seeds, covering them sparingly. Space seeds about 12 inches apart for optimal growth. Firm the soil gently around each one. Most herb seeds are quite forgiving, but always follow the directions on the seed packet. This ensures the best possible results for your specific herb varieties. Perennial herbs like rosemary and thyme will overwinter in the garden. Plant these between February and March in an area with ample shelter from cold weather. These varieties do not thrive in hot or dry conditions. For year-round herb production without a large garden, consider cultivating them in decorative pots or window boxes. Wash tubs or wheelbarrows also make excellent movable containers. These can be easily moved indoors or outdoors as seasons change. Chervil, dill, and cilantro seeds do well when direct planted outdoors. They should later be transplanted to bigger containers once established. Stinging nettle seeds also thrive outdoors when planted after the risk of frost has passed. Herbs thrive in small containers, making them ideal for patios or balconies. They are a perfect addition to vegetable planters with trellises for vining plants like tomatoes and cucumbers. ensure your containers have drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Mix potting soil or a compost-based mix into the topsoil. An optimal mix includes equal parts coarse sand, topsoil, and organic matter. This combination ensures proper drainage while retaining essential moisture. When choosing herbs for containers, consider both their height and specific needs. Basil grows quickly and may need a tall container to prevent its foliage from overgrowing the sides. Low-growing herbs like thyme or parsley work well in smaller pots. Some herb species, such as mint and dill, can become invasive when grown directly in the ground. Growing them in containers helps control their spread. Generally, more light reaching an herb in its container leads to greater success. If planting multiple herbs together in one pot, select species with similar water and sun requirements. This prevents one herb from overpowering another. It also reduces the need for frequent individualized watering. Monitor water levels in herb containers more carefully than in garden beds. Herbs in pots tend to dry out faster. They may require daily watering, especially during warm or windy weather. When your herbs are ready for harvest, cut close to their base. This promotes continued growth and ensures fresh, flavorful leaves. You can also propagate them by cutting off flower heads and saving seeds for next year. Harvest herbs at their peak performance, typically when their leaves are vibrant. Some herbs like chives and dill continue producing throughout fall and winter with minimal care. Cilantro and sage may die back as temperatures drop. Bring tender herbs indoors until spring returns if you want to extend their season. This protects them from frost and allows for continued enjoyment. Herbs add color and flavor to vegetable gardens. They also draw pollinators, deter pests, and provide tasty additions to meals. Many varieties are easy to grow in full garden beds, provided the soil drains well. Planting herbs in appropriate locations can even help control unwanted plants. Mint, for example, can be difficult to cultivate from seed and become invasive. Strategic placement can manage its spread. If planting from seed, read your seed packet carefully for guidance on spacing and depth. Herb seeds need to be planted deep enough to develop strong roots. Shallow planting can lead to root rot or exposure. Some herbs can be propagated from stem cuttings. For best results, use sharp, disinfected shears or knives for cuts. Dip the bottom third of each stem into rooting powder or solution before planting. Most herbs do not need high levels of fertilizer. Too much nitrogen can diminish the oils that contribute to their distinctive scents and flavors. Instead, apply organic liquid fertilizers or fish emulsion lightly. Watering herb plants is essential for their success, especially perennials and container-grown varieties. When the top inch of soil feels dry, water deeply. Less frequent but deeper irrigations are preferable to light sprinkles. Herbs do not do well in temperatures exceeding 45 degrees Fahrenheit. When fall temperatures begin to drop, move potted herb plants indoors for safe storage. Bring them inside before nighttime temperatures dip into the low 40s. Once indoors, potted herb plants require bright light. Ideally, place them near a south or west-facing window. If natural light is insufficient, fluorescent cool white lighting can provide adequate illumination.